What up, you guys? Chef Billy Parisi here from billyparisi.com, and I'm getting ready to hook up an amazing Italian classic dish called polenta. It's gonna be creamy, it's gonna be delicious, so let's get after it. Polenta is such an easy to make classic recipe. You can serve it up as a side dish or even as a main entree just by folding in chicken or steak. I've served it up with scallops, I've served it up with grilled skirt steak, even just put mushrooms on the top. Dude, is it good. And you can even make polenta cakes the next day if you're sick of eating so much creamy polenta. So if you've ever heard of grits or been down south and had some nice creamy grits for breakfast, they're pretty similar to polenta. However, there are still some nuances. Polenta uses yellow cornmeal, and grits use white cornmeal or hominy. But I will say that polenta tends to be a little bit more on the coarse side, like a medium grind, where grits are definitely like a smoother, almost like a cream of wheat, if I could say that. Both are delicious, still a little bit different. And since I'm Italian, I'm always gonna go with polenta, my friends. But let's get into making this because like I said, it is incredibly simple to do. We're gonna start by small dicing up an onion. If you've never done this before or got the onion to the exact size that you're looking for, don't worry, it's really easy. Go ahead and slice off each end of the yellow onion. Next, what we're gonna do is cut it in half and just simply take the peeling off of one half and then to small dice, starting from the bottom up, simply slice into it, but leave about 1/4 of an inch on the other side. Do not slice all the way through it. Go all the way up, maybe every 1/4 inch. And then simply do the same thing, but slicing down on it. Every 1/4 inch, slice down, 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 all the way through the yellow onion. Then simply slice it every 1/4 inch or so. So you got this beautiful 1/4 inch small diced yellow onion. We're gonna set it to the side, and next for some garlic, what I like to do is simply give it a little mash with the flat part of my knife. This just breaks it up to help small dice it up a little bit more, or in this case, finely minced. So go ahead and mince that up as best as you can. Make sure it's pretty small because you don't want huge chunks of garlic in there. We're gonna set it to the side in a small bowl. Take that and the onion, go over to the cooktop. And I've got a nice size rondo pot. You can use a regular soup pot, whatever you've got laying around. We're gonna add some olive oil in there. And over medium heat, let's go ahead and add in the onion. We want this to be like a little bit brown. We're not looking for a full caramelization, but we do want a nice little toast on it. It's just gonna simply enhance the flavor of this creamy polenta. After about 3 to 4 minutes, let's add in the garlic. Give it a quick stir, and they always say for garlic, once you can smell it, it's already done. So you better turn down that heat so it does not burn, because you know what? It will burn and fry pretty dang quick, so keep your eye on it. Now at this point, simply add in your chicken stock, or you can substitute with vegetable stock or water. Now we want to bring it to a boil. Once it does start to boil, especially around the edges, we are in good shape to now add in our yellow cornmeal. Now, when you do pour it in, you want to remember to continually whisk. This will stop your polenta from having huge, weird, crazy chunks running through it. So whisk it constantly while pouring in the yellow cornmeal. And of course, everyone's got that stance where they put their hand on their hip while they whisk. You don't believe me? You're gonna catch yourself the next time you're whisking or flipping something over. This takes in total in between 15 and 20 minutes while continually whisking on medium-low heat for the polenta to just about be finished up. I always like to taste it after this time, and if it's got a very slight crunch, also known as al dente or to the tooth, we are in good shape to finish it off. Now, what I like to finish it off with is a little bit of whole unsalted butter. This adds a really nice creaminess to the polenta. And then to take it up a little bit more, I'm next gonna add in some grated fresh Parmesan cheese. This is gonna bring about some amazing, salty, delicious cheese flavors into this polenta. Give it some really nice whisks, make sure it's completely combined, and just like any recipe that I make, please finish it off with a little bit of sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper, whisk it in there, make sure it is combined, and at this point we are done, so it's time to plate up. Go over to your countertop or wherever you plan on serving it. Simply transfer some of the polenta right to your serving bowl. To finish it off, what I like to do is add on some shredded Parmesan cheese and a little bit of finely chopped Italian flat leaf parsley. Boom, we are finished. Let's have a look, try it out. Polenta is just one of those comforting recipes that you can honestly eat all day long. It's like the Italian chicken noodle soup. You can graze on it and you just can never get enough of it. It's so incredibly simple to make. I can't state that enough. And just a wonderful side dish or accompaniment to any main entree that you plan on serving up, whether it be friends or just family. This is almost a surefire guarantee to see lots of smiles on their faces. And of course, I don't want to wait any longer. I want to eat some, so let's try it out real quick. Yeah, man, it's just so good. You get those wonderful cheesy flavors from the Parmesan. That butter just adds some creaminess, some body to the polenta. It's delicious. Well, you know I'm gonna make some more recipes next week, but for now, it's time to eat some polenta. See y'all later.